วัสดีค่ะ
Hey viewers, thanks for joining us on another walk. I'm in Hua Hin. We're going to go down Soi Bintabaht, see what's going on down there. And we'll see what else is happening. Alright, let's go. Swadee Cup. Swadee Cup. Swadee Cup. Alright, here we go. Soi Bintabaht. What's happening down here tonight? Swadee Cup. Swadee Cup. Swadee Cup. Swadee Cup. Hello. Swadee Cup. Hello, Swadee Cup. Oh, naughty. All that means. Swadee Cup. Oh, they're the electricity lines. Oh, they'll blow, mate. They're the Swadee Cup. Valentine's Bar, we had a few drinks there the other night. Swadee Cup. Swadee Cup. Swadee Cup. A few people out, that's for sure. Quite a few people. Well, that's the end of that end. We might go down here, have a look down here. Don't know what's down this road, I'm not sure. Okay, different bars. Lights look nice, that's for sure. Oh well. Strong bar. Swadee Cup. A few bars down here. That one's empty. Hardly anyone in there. Como. There's Panama. It's a good bar. Been there before. Swadee Cup. T&J's bar. A few people down here. Aussie bar. 11 bar. Bistro. Some of these guys. That's a little better. Bit of a quiet street. Elephant bar. Not much going on down here. Don't know. BB bar. Oh, it's very dead down this end. There's one little bar down the end here. What's this called? Buckley's Bar. Ah. Okay, I know where we are now. We go this way. See what's down here. Just restaurants. Football bar. I think that's the Irish bar they might have been talking about the other day. Ray's 2 restaurant bar. Never heard of it. Jasmine's Thai food. A few people in there. Here comes a bike. Better move over to the side of the road or I get skittled. Okay. Masadani. And now I think we're out onto the pier road. I think. Ah, yes, I know where we are now. The main road. Near the beach. This is the beach road, actually, I think. Well, the taxis lined up, tuk-tuks. No, thank you. Have a good night. Straighten the camera up a little bit. Well, that's a nice hotel. The Hilton. Pretty quiet down here, actually. These are all the main restaurants and stuff, so I suppose most people have finished dinner. Still a few people eating though. Some of the restaurants have actually got people in them, so I'll take that back. White Lotus Restaurant. There's Soi Bintabaht again, looking pretty busy. It's a cool looking joint. Outside the Prince Steakhouse. That's full. Very full. Busy Bee Restaurant Bar. There's quite a few people out here. The Mai Tai Restaurant. That's a classic. That one's been around for a long time. Always full as well. Anyone want golf balls? Plenty of golf balls for sale. Okay, random. Alright, coming to a quiet part of the street now. I think this is where the beach is, where you enter through the beach. It's very quiet down here. Kanchi Thai food, seafood, vegan. Thai food, seafood, European food. A few people in there. this restaurant? Oh, I think I've seen this before on YouTube, this one. The Roberto Pizza. People around here on the main street. Come on. Move on. Oh, this is nice. Look at this, everyone. How good's this look? The street lights. Looks really nice. Looks really nice. All the shops are closed along here though. Well, most of them are anyway. Alright, well I might leave it here guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment. It's greatly appreciated. And we'll see you in the next one. I'll do a few in Hua Hin. I'm going to be here for a couple of nights, so I'll get a few down. And hopefully you enjoyed watching them. Alright, bye for now.